Ready for a tour?
Albert's trying to destroy his phone.
Yeah. Okay. This is the laundry room. Look quick.
It looks like a laundry.
Yeah, let's turn the light on.
Looks
Looks like we're a little behind on the laundry. And,
tiny bit.
And we're a little bit behind on the garage. Because there's no way one car's getting in here, let alone three. There's Kevin's Arcade Legends, man. That's got every the old school asteroids and
really, that's old school.
It's got all the old school.
You know,
Atari.
it is nice to have a storage area.
Yeah.
Don't drive with the cars in here, though. You know what? This would be the first place because my Buick's got to be in the garage.
That's right. That's right.
Riviera's got to be in the garage,
right.
even if I moved all over, pull stuff over. That's right.
If you have to put all the garage into the house.
That's right. That car's going in there.
The Buick's going in there.
That thing is going in there, man.
There's the pantry.
Yes, the food.
And the toilet paper storage.
Angel soft.
And the kitchen.
Oh yeah, the kitchen.
That's Debbie laughing her ass off over something on the video.
Yeah, it's from the graduation.
Oh, there's graduation. Yeah, from Mars.
On island in the middle.
His head on Mom's chest, and like,
Yeah, because he did remember that when they were crying and he took a selfie. But okay, let me do Stephanie and Mom. In the kitchen. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned too.
We're having a graduation.
Kelly actually
Oh,
worked
we're
on
already been in here, but
and Kelly actually worked on this, so you better get it twice. She just hung up the curtains this morning.
wow, so it's in a process, and the cats are enjoying
She just
it.
got the new bed. Here, let me.
This is really the only room that looks like it's
This
together.
is the new bed.
All right.
That's Khaleesi. I just scared her off.
Yeah, Ecclesia says, I'm out of here.
That's Coffee.
And Coffee says, where are you going?
Yeah, he said, where you going?
Hey, what's up with you, man? And Ecclesia says, I'm out of here, man. Jeez.
This is the Friends and Lovers bathroom. And we're gonna find it. I'm gonna show you right now. It's called the Friends and Lovers bathroom. You come in here, and you can wash each other's backs. His and her. Yeah. This is called the fun room in here.
Yeah, there's no jets in this, so this is not the fun
That's
tub.
a fun tub. They got the rubber sheets and they got all the toys hidden for that one.
That's all the good stuff.
Yeah, all the good stuff in there. And then this is your combination walk-in closet
And spare bedroom.
And there's spare bedroom. That's right. You put the air mattress there, man. And this is where Kylan's sleeping tonight because Debbie and Cap are
we're
gonna
taking
take
over
his room.
We're taking over.
So this is Kylan's bedroom tonight.
Yeah, there's pillows. She's ready. Ready to go.
You can plug anything. It's all ready to go.
Ready to
for his
go.
electronics.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
Yeah, no, it's only going to be for one night. Well, no big deal.
I shouldn't have walked in that shower. My socks are wet now.
See? You wanted to be cute. Oh,
You
yeah.
see my footprints?
That's pretty nice. Okay. Oh,
Oh,
man.
is it right?
It's a Sony.
Uncle Bex would not be happy with me if I did not show the entertainment center. Yeah, Dad.
Yeah.
It's a Sony, Dad. It's a Sony.
It's a Sony.
It's a Sony.
Dad and I are around that.
That's
They're
right.
Sonys.
Oh yeah.
Sony all the way.
You're on the bottom floor of that. That's right. This is the dining area. We don't have a dining table yet, so it's kind of the dance floor right now.
That's right.
This is a dance area.
It's really.
And also makeshift production studio. This is the production studio of this is here. I got it for Ray. I got it. It took Ray about half a day to put this thing back together because it probably hadn't been. Well, it hadn't been cleaned out in probably a year, and so it was real stuffed and everything. And about halfway through it, he said, "Is there a Kirby dealership around here?" Because he had to take all that apart, and then you know how that goes, then you got to put it back together.
That's right.
But he got it. He got it.
All right. Yay. All right, man. The Tower of Power.
And the living room.
Dogs.
This is one of the dogs looking at stuff. Oh, she's embarrassed. She stopped. This is, oh, we got to show this is Meekum, the Meekum auction.
Yes. Yes.
We got to have our priorities,
Fireplace.
The fireplace.
Unit 1 and Unit 2.
With the special fire marbles.
Yes.
And, we don't use wood anymore. We use
marbles.
boulders and pea shooters and
Yeah.
Steelies. I think there's a couple of Steelies in there.
Yeah.
There's a couple of cat eyes in there. You know.
Yeah.
I just went and got my old marbles and threw them in there.
Yeah, right. Here's another dog.
So here's the entertainment center, and I don't know. I guess some of Kevin's Pollock side must have rubbed off on Kelly because you got we can't change the channel on the TV unless we have this open because that's the cable box. So, and you were asking where the subwoofer was. I found it.
Yeah, it is.
There's the subwoofer.
I know, I just figured that out. But you know, you can actually, you can go beyond that and, you know, put that up here and leave all those stuff down in there.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what I would do.
Me and Ray tried to convince her that.
Yes.
Here's Keely Rose. Here's Keely Rose's album. And then this is the Kevin Honorary Memorial.
Yes.
And okay, then we come over here.
The Polish part's coming out.
And we got St. Joseph. You know, I'm being a little sacrilegious, covering up St. Joseph there. Sorry, Kevin. And here we got. Oh,
Whoa.
Here we
It's
got.
gonna fall apart.
This is Grandpa Sena's family.
Whoa. That is Grandpa Sena's family?
Can you recognize which one Grandpa Sena? I think this one's Grandpa.
Right here?
And this one's Uncle Augustine. And that's great grandma and grandpa. And then I don't remember who the sister is. I don't remember who the sister was. Sorry, Grandpa. But that's Grandpa's family.
Wow. Did you see that? Debbie, this is Grandpa Sena's portrait of his family.
Yeah, that hung in Grandpa's house for many years. This, I can't remember. This isn't Steamboat or anything. I didn't want to say it's Oregon. But Kelly loved the... Yeah, this is hung in all of their houses. And okay, then over here is Kylan's.
This is like...
Kylan lives in the casita. Kylan has his own...
Yeah.
Kylan lives in the mother-in-law house. And this is Cap and Debbie's room for the night.
Temporary.
He's got everything in here.
And he's got a Sony too.
Oh yeah, this is a Sony family. Kevin was a Sony man. Yes, he was. I gotta show you this here. I can't remember where they found this. I think they found this in Poland. I want to say somebody sent them this, and
Wow.
this is actually something that somebody found. It wasn't made.
Polish club?
Yeah, they actually found this somewhere.
Wow.
So this hung over his bar in the house in Steamboat.
Mm-hmm.
And then Kyle's got everything here but a stove. He set up.
Yes.
He set up. And so when the house first got here, the front door was messed up, so we kept having to go through this door. And then every time I take somebody through this door, and I go, okay, then the rest of the house is right this way. Go ahead.
Whoops.
I did it about 3 times with 3 different people. And then Cap said, maybe you should turn the light on next time.
Just saying, you know, just saying.
Here's Kylan's bathroom.
Wow.
As you can see, Kylan keeps a nice bathroom, except we need to get him a Johnny Mop.
Let's invest in one of those. Is there one?
Oh,
No, that's the plunger.
that's the plunger. So we
we do
gotta
need
go to Wally World and get him a Johnny Mop.
Yeah, because that's going to be important to keep that white.
Yeah.
Or you'll be investing in a stone
Now let's
next.
go back to the other side of the. Oh, man.
That's the wrong door. Again, he's lost.
Okay. So we come down the hallway here, and this is the guest bedroom. This is where Albert and Stephanie are staying right now.
Oh,
Don't shoot too much. Oh yeah, you can, because
I've already shooting here
So-
because this is
Oh,
where
you
they
shot
were
in
doing.
here.
This is when they
Okay.
were doing all that stuff.
This is Kylan,
Yeah.
graduation edition. On the inside, on the back, how it's a graduation edition. You can go in here, and we're going to do this tomorrow at the party. Back here, there's this whole section of things, words of wisdom from family and friends, and it's a real neat thing. So,
And there it is. That's the
and
book
there
you
it
wanted.
is.
That's the book you wanted to get at Walmart, but
Yeah.
that wasn't there.
Yeah, we ended up having to go to Barnes & Noble. They had it, and they had the graduation edition. Obviously, the exhaust fan's in here, so this bathroom is on in here. So this bathroom has
This doesn't-
recently been used.
This isn't a Johnny stick either.
No. And this is Keely Rose's.
This is the
And the other bedrooms.
Is this the shower that will kill you?
Yeah, this is the shower that I fell. I'm officially old. I fell in this bathroom the other day, and so we went to Wally World and got a bath mat. Here it is. Obviously, nobody's taken a shower yet in here because they're all afraid.
But I will bring that
It's
up.
lethal. It's lethal.
Wow.
And then this is
I noticed that the ceilings are really tall in this place.
And then this is Keely Rose's room, and you would think the boys' room would be dirtier than... No, not in this house.
Now
Not in this house.
we're out of control.
The teenager girl is the pack rat. And speaking of pack rats,
And then we're talking colors.
these are
too.
Keely Rose's rats.
Where are they at?
And where they at? They've escaped.
They're not here anymore.
There's one right there.
There you are.
And
They're both in there. They're both in there.
And,
Hey, what's happening? What's going on,
sorry,
you
Keely
guys?
Rose, I can't remember their names.
Yeah, left and right.
Well, yeah, rat 1 and rat 2.
So,
White rat and gray rat. I said told her to name them Ben and Willard.
yeah.
I keep asking her, have you seen the movie Willard? Have you seen the movie Ben?
She doesn't know what
No.
you're talking about.
Nope.
So what are these?
Oh, this is like Uncle Betts's lights.
Oh.
But it's water. It's like the Bellagio in Vegas. It's lit up lights. We're going to have Keely, she plugs in her phone into it, you know, it's a Bluetooth sound system. And it actually really pumps out some sound. As a matter of fact, we used it for the recorded music of Kevin's mass.
Oh.
And it really did work. You'd think, because see, these are speakers and the water
Whoa.
thing, and so it does a show like the Bellagio in Vegas with lights and water to the music. It's
All right, so
yeah,
the
it's
girls.
like Uncle Betts's psychedelic lights, but you know,
Yeah.
21st century.
Modern.
We've gone from 1969 to 2009, 2016 though, almost 2019.
All right.
So, and we've got another room.
We're back in the living room again.
Nice part of the tour. Oh, well, there's another room. Here's the patio.
We're on the tour.
Here's some Mexicans that we picked up on the construction area.
You were lucky enough to find us.
They just got done doing the lawn. See, these are the gardeners.
Whoa. Is this a Mexican joke?
Yeah, did you? And he's a little slow on the Mexican jokes.
And just like the Colorado Department of Highways, there's that shovel holding itself up. You know, see? Yeah, that's strong union.
So you doing like a Blair Witch Project?
We got it.
Follow you there?
Yeah. So I'm giving a tour. So this here is Kelly's waterfall. And all of this greenage and all of this lovely ambiance that you see here, this aesthetics, is thank you to Andrew, cousin Andy.
Word there, Andrew.
He did all that nice.
Andrew, he called you.
I'm Albert. Andrew's the other guy. Although his middle name's Albert. Andrew Albert. And then being that we are in St. George, Utah, every house in Utah
Oh yeah, we got this room.
has we call it the Mormon room. I think they call it the study room or the learning room. In this house, it's another bedroom. Since this is a Catholic house,
Oh
there's no
man.
Mormon room, and obviously this is throw the shit that we haven't put away yet. Also
Yeah, there's a TV on its side in here.
yeah, and it's a Sony too.
Yeah, it's just like, well, just throw it over here.
Yeah, and
And it has another closet. What is this?
Joel and Judy are in here.
So for a room that's not supposed to have a bedroom, it's got a closet.
And Kelly's Mickey Mouse.
Hey, you found the Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, the Mickey Mouse phone. That phone's old. That came from when she was a teenager.
So whose bed was this originally?
This was Kylan's bed originally. Yeah,
Man.
from the old house, and then he wanted a smaller bed over in there.
Man
So-
alive.
Here we go.
Well, someday-
so eventually
someday-
Kelly's going to make this into the study for all of them. Where
Right.
they can have their
Right now
computer.
they're just crashing. Bam,
where
it's
they can
done.
have computer and everything.
All right.
So, and there's your tour.
There it is, ladies and gentlemen. It's a happy time. And the ceilings are tall.
Yes, they are.